Today we're gonna go ahead and check out this Mitsubishi Mirage 2020, the features within it, things like that. Let's first go over the miles on this thing, which is 43,000 miles. To access more things within the dash is of course your mileage, tracking your trips, your miles per gallon, as digital temperature for outside, and then your maintenance within the vehicle. Back to your miles, you have your fuel and what gear you're in. For your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings over here, volume and tune for your stereo, as well as hands-free calling. Let's check out your touchscreen display. So first up, you have your radio, which has AM and FM radio. Hopping over to your home menu, you can see AM and FM radio, Bluetooth audio, phone, and of course your settings. So you can have your sound, display, radio system, things like that, your day and night mode with settings. And then let's check out the backup camera by putting this in reverse. Nice clear backup camera to keep you and others safe. Nice little feature within this Mirage. Hazard lights up top here, as well as your adjustable vents, and then volume tune, climate control, super simple to adjust the temperature, and airflow. Then of course down below here you have a charging port, as well as your USB and can be another charging port. Cup holders, pocket, gear shift, and then of course your parking brake. And then a neat thing with Mirages is your center console here that opens up to have a cup holder in the back. So you have some storage in here, and then a cup holder for the backseat people, or even if you want to use it up front here. And then nice comfy armrest for when it is down. Already went over the steering wheel. Beside the steering wheel, you have your mirror controls and traction control off. And then of course, on your door panel here, you have window controls, door locks, things like that. Let's hop outside. A thing within this Mirage is down below on the driver door, you have your house release and trunk release, so you can use that. Let's release the trunk and we can check that out real quick. Checking out the back seats real quick. Got a middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders, and then a decent amount of space for this being a smaller car. Let's check out the trunk. Opening up the trunk space here, you have a decent amount of space. Underneath this divider, you have a spare tire and some tools in case of any emergency. You can put more tools in there so you are ready out there on the road. That's pretty much it. And then you can close the lid by pushing the center position and it will close properly. Mirage G4 here at Rocky Ridge Auto. That's all I have today. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985. You can always stop in for a visit.